Welcome back to Grow My Savings. When people hear financial independence, they often think of millionaires, early retirement, or luxury lifestyles. But real financial independence isn't about being rich. It's about having choices. It's the point where your money works for you instead of the other way around. Where you can wake up every day and decide how to spend your time, not just how to earn your next paycheck. And today, we're breaking it down. What financial independence truly means, how to measure it, and how you can start your journey right now, no matter your income level. Financial independence, or FI, means your passive income, money from investments, savings, or side hustles, covers your living expenses. You no longer rely on a job to survive. You might still choose to work, but it's because you want to, not because you have to. It's not about quitting life, it's about gaining control over it. Financial independence gives you freedom of time, flexibility to pursue passion projects, peace of mind, knowing you're secure even if life changes. Think of it as the ability to say, I own my time and I decide what to do with it. So how do you get there? Let's simplify it. Step 1, know your number, calculate your yearly expenses, then multiply by 25. That's your FI number. For example, if you spend $30,000 a year, you'd aim for about $750,000 invested. That's based on the 4% rule, meaning you can withdraw 4% of your investments yearly without running out of money. Step 2, increase the gap. Financial independence depends on your savings rate. The more you save and invest, the faster you reach FI. That could mean earning more, spending less, or both. Step 3, invest for passive income. Focus on assets that generate consistent returns, like index funds, dividend stocks, or rental income. Your goal is to have money coming in even when you're not actively working. Step 4, stay consistent. Financial independence doesn't happen overnight. It's built brick by brick through habits and patience. You don't need a big paycheck to start, just consistency. Every dollar you save and invest brings you closer to freedom. Start by automating your savings and investments, paying off high-interest debt, tracking your net worth monthly, avoiding lifestyle inflation as your income grows. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Each small step adds up to something powerful, your future independence. Financial independence isn't just for the wealthy. It's for anyone who wants peace of mind, freedom, and purpose. So start today, even with $10 or $20. Your money grows, your confidence builds, and one day, your time becomes yours again. Thanks for watching Grow My Savings. If this inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who dreams of freedom too.